Good day viewers, welcome to Cybercraft. In this video I'll be showing you how to build a cargo delivery website for free without having to pay anything at zero cost. So go to this website infinityfree.com. You create an account if you don't have one. So for me, I already have an account. I'll just log in. So for me, I'll just log in. You click sign in. It's very easy. So on this page, what you have to do is you go to create account. So since we're doing it for free, you choose the the infinity free. Don't worry, depending on how big your cargo site, it can go for any cargo site. So don't mind the advert here. Okay, so we're doing in the we'll just use like say okay, CYB delivery or cargo, CYB cargo. Then you click here. If you don't like the subdomain here, you just click there and choose. So for this, let's say I'll just go with this. You check availability. So this is everything we need. What's the email consent? I approve. Then create account. Let's so we wait while the account is being created. So it's going to tell you to take a few minutes for your account to be set up. It can take up to 72 hours for the new domain to be visible everywhere due to DNS caching. So what I advise you to do is if you're doing this and you want everything to work faster, you can use a VPN. So instead of taking much time, the VPN is really going to help a lot from my own experience. So let's wait while the page is loaded. So as you can see, it can take up to 72 hours for new domain to be accessible everywhere. This is caused by DNS caching. Okay, so when you're here, the first thing you have to do is since everything is okay, let's try to access the control panel. So I approve. So when you're here in this page in the control panel, you scroll down to a place where you will see Softaculous app installer. So when the page is open, you will see WordPress. So you install WordPress. Okay, there's something we need to do. We can just continue here, but let's go get our SSL certificate because we don't do that yet. So to get your SSL certificate, you just click here, free SSL certificate. You click on new SSL certificate. So you put your domain name. Let's go check what our domain name is. So we put our domain name here. So we click on create order. So your SSL order has been created. Please see below for next step. So in the next step, it says please set up the following CNAME record on your domain name. So just to do that, we do it that very easily. So go to set up CNAME record. Okay. So it says the CNAME record have been set up. Please note that it may take up to an hour to take effect due to DNS propagation through caching. So let's refresh the page first. Let's see. So if yours is not yet working, just like mine, you have to wait for at least 15 minutes to 1 hour, but in most cases it won't get to that. So I'll catch you up in the next this thing when the whole thing is propagated. So welcome back. Mine took approximately 10 minutes. Okay, so now the next thing you need to do is request certificate. So as you can see, your certificate has been requested and should be available shortly. So we wait for it. So when it's done, the final phase is install certificate automatically. So like it says, the SSL certificate has been installed. It may take up to 15 minutes for it to become active. Okay, so we just have to wait. So it took about 15 minutes to 20 minutes for me. So when you refresh, it's going to show you active. So here, since it's already active, we choose the HTTPS. Our site name is there. So what else? You can just put your site, anything here about your this thing, CYB cargo, for example. So what else here? We can say something like we deliver worldwide. Okay, so here you can choose any password. Okay, so let's say my username, I can just choose admin, but don't choose admin, because when you choose admin, it's easy for people to brute force your site. So don't choose admin, choose something that is not easily guessable. So everything is okay. So the next thing is click on install. So when you're done here, to go to your admin panel, okay, you just click here. All right, copy this link here. So it's going to take you to your website dashboard, so newly created. So appearance, here in appearance you go to theme, click on theme. So you go to add new theme, look for Astra. So you install Astra. So you activate it. So let's get started with template. So let's go with this build with template. So we choose the Elementor. Okay, so here you choose a template. All right, so just look for a template to choose. Most of them are premium, so you just look for the free one. So I'll just choose this as the template. So if you already have your site logo, you can upload here. So I'll go to continue since I like the template. So here I'll skip here. So I understand. Let's go. So I'll submit and allow it do a thing. So everything is done here. So let's view our site. So this is what our site looks like. Okay, so here you can edit your this thing to change pictures. Here you can just click on edit with Elementor. So we need to install a plugin. All right, this is the plugin that is used for the tracking of a thing. This is the plugin. You just look for WP Cargo. Oh, sorry. You go to add new plugin. You look for WP Cargo. So you can choose anyone. I'll go with this. It's installed. Activate. So it's activated. Let's go to our site. To make the tracking page to be here, just go to customize. So we go to no, let's go to header, primary menu. Okay, configure menu here. So where's the primary menu? This is the primary menu. Edit menu. Okay, so we need to add new item. So let's add track. All right, so we already add it. Publish. So this is the tracking here. All right, so this is the tracking page here. So this is where you can track the page. So if you want to let's say you want to add a shipping, all right, you go to ship, you go to add. Here you can just add new shipment. So automatically it's going to generate this for you. All right, this is the tracking number for cargo. You can put your client's details here, the phone number, the shipper, and the receiver here. So this part is your shipping, the items and all that. All right, comment. So here you can use here to edit, to update the package on the track list. For example, the location of the package. if it's delivered or if it's not delivered. So this video is already a bit so long, so I'll be ending it here. I'll create subsequent videos. If you want, you can add it in the comment section. This is a new channel. This is my second channel, so you can subscribe, like, share, and whatever you want me to do on this video, you can just drop a comment there.